Welcome back to Futurense Spotlight. Today we are back with yet another henchman who's going to be telling us about his journey with Futurense technology. So let me introduce you, Mr. Raees.
Thank you.
So Raees, before we talk about your journey with Futurense technologies, can you tell me something about yourself?
Sure. I'm basically from Kochi in Kerala. So I was a computer science engineering graduate, and after my studies I was working in an MNC for 2 years. And from there I'm here at Futurense. I joined Futurense 10 months back.
Okay, so tell me, how did it start? Why engineering? Was it by choice or was there some external pressure?
Anyways, I had to do the graduation. So
Anyway, you had to do it.
I mean, yeah, kind of
What?
just like any other Indian
Oh, so it's
child,
just one
yeah.
of those
yeah,
Papa will hit you kind of situation.
kind
huh?
of, yeah. But then I like this engineering, mathematics.
You like mathematics?
Yeah.
So why data engineering specifically?
To be frank, I started my career as a software developer. I was initially interested in machine learning, all those stuff.
Where are you deployed right now?
I'm deployed at one of the top data analytics company in India.
That's really great. Huh? Describe your journey with Futurense in one word. What would it be and why?
Such kind of training with salary, it's double joy.
So, okay, now that we're done talking about all this, Futurense and your journey, let's play a quick game.
Yes.
Snake,
Python,
love,
universe,
cute,
girlfriend,
happiness,
myself,
long,
journeys,
relationship,
interesting,
technology,
opportunities,
work,
love.
Marvel,
Not a movie buff, but yeah,
breaking my heart here. Invisibility or super strength?
super strength.
Cake or pie?
Cake,
Text or call?
text,
Futurense.
godfather of talent.